Everyone, is Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Currently, I'm trading CPI, and the news will be released in minutes, right? So basically, trading news is very volatile. You understand? But but I believe currently I should be in profit because I'm actually buying. But I know that the news can actually decide to send the market very low. But structurally, right? Structurally, if the market was in good terms, or not really in good terms, if the market was moving usually or normally, right, this buy would have actually like this buy is basically what you should be expecting to play out. As you can see, I entered earlier, right, and I'm in profit currently, so I just have to keep watching, and I want to see these highs taken out. That is my TV, but my stop loss is far away because I know is what is it called, I know is news. It can actually go wide for stop losses, but I'm risking that whole account. As you can see, that is $1,000 account, and this is the VIP group where I update. I also sometimes forward to the normal group. So if you want to join the normal group, do well to use the link on the video description below to join the normal group. I'll be explaining CPI in minutes. So let me just post this here because I update every the VIP and the normal group with the process as I'm actually trading. You can see I actually started telling them about the trade when it was starting, right? So anybody in this group now will be seeing the information, seeing what I'm doing, seeing my trade. If I'm losing money or if I'll make money, I'll still show everybody. But overall, I'm risking my everything you see here. As you can see, oh, my take profit has been smashed. What fuck, man, this is the game, man. So I'm so I don't know how I feel right now. So I don't really know. My TP has been smashed, guys. My TP has been fucking smashed. So that is the game. That is the game. This stuff happens. I told you guys. Can you afford to be on the wrong side of the market? 100 pips in less than a minute. That is CPI for you guys. 100 pips in less than a minute. So this is how I backed today's CPI. You understand? So overall, I made money right now. As you can see, let me go to my account. This is so. This is bloody, guys. This is bloody. I don't really know, but I'm so happy, guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Wow.